Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete multiple contacts on your AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to AOL Mail. Make sure that you are logged into your account. What you need to do next is click on Contacts, which is here on the left hand side. If there is no contacts, you can see Views. Click on Show option, which is on here on Views, and click on Contacts. You can see most of your contacts over here. So what you can do to delete your contacts is you can see that you cannot bulk delete it, so you can delete it one by one. Tap on the contact which you want to delete and click on Edit Contact. After that, you can see Delete Contact over here. Tap on Delete Contact and click OK. So what this will do is permanently delete the contact which you have selected. You can see that one contact has been deleted. Now I'm going to delete all of the contacts with the same method. I'll go ahead and click Delete Contact, click OK, and you can see the contact has been deleted. Same process you can do for others as well. Tap on the contact you want to delete, click on Edit Contact and click Delete Contact. Now click OK and the contact will be deleted. This is how you delete all of your contacts on AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.